In this video, I will show you how to hide recent searches when hover over the search icon like here. Once you click on, so you will see recent searches. So in case you want to hide, so click on this personalization. Firstly, settings, and then personalization, and then taskbar. Here you will see taskbar behavior. So here is the option show recent searches. So to hide, just unselect this setting. Exit and now restart your system. So this way you can turn off and disable and hide recent searches on search icon. Thanks for watching.